Guys, it's Candace here from Can One Love on Instagram, YouTube, and all the other social channels. I always get questions about my eyebrows, so I wanted to just do a little tutorial for you guys. I have done it in the past, but I was using different products. I always switch it up and use different products. So I'm going to show you, this is me getting ready phase, and I have no makeup on right now. Of course, if you can see like my eyes, they are just like, I have like the red skin. Some of you may have it. My sister has it, and it's just like thin skin on your eyes. I don't know if you guys have a tip or trick to help me with that, just please let me know. But here are my eyebrows. They are pretty thin. When it comes to just looking at them naturally without any makeup. But what I like to do is I like to enhance them. And the key to a good eyebrow, what I have learned from my aunt who is a makeup specialist and artist, is you really want this part of the eyebrow to line up with this corner of the eye, if you can see that. And then also with this part of the eyebrow to line up kind of with this corner of the eye. So if your brow is way too close, no, that's a no-no. Go get them done, go get them fixed. But I will tell you all this. I have thought about doing microblading, and I may do it because not on my full brow, but I've heard of a really good place called, I think it's like Avanti microblading, and I had some other fellow like blogger friends who went there and told me about it. But basically it is a tattoo for your eye, which is supposed to be semi-permanent, and then maybe I don't have to do this every day. So long story short, because I can talk your ear off, and if you hear my accent, of course, I'm from New Jersey. I get messages all the time. Hey, where's that accent from? But I'm from Trenton, New Jersey. So basically I have blonde hair. I mean, my roots are kind of like, brown, like a dark blonde. But this part of my eyebrow, if you guys can see right here, has like these blonde hairs that you would not see. And I'm going to show you right now. So I don't want to talk your ear off. But anyway, I am using right now, I've used Anastasia. I've used multiple different brands. But right now I'm using the Tarte. This is in the Ash Blonde, if you guys can see here. And if you buy this, I think it's like $30 or $28, and it comes with this tool, which I really, really like this brush because it has the brush on the end, and then if I make it too dark, I can brush them out. But I first start off by just brushing them, and then what I do is I just go back and forth with this. It's like a gel kind of pomade mix in the Ash Blonde. And what I will do is I'm going to show you. So see the brow now? And then look, I'm starting to fill in the areas that kind of have blonde hair. And I'm just filling it in nicely because I want a natural look. I don't want some crazy looking eyebrows. And then up here, I have a lot of blonde hair. And you see now how it just looks so much better just instantly. It's like an instant eye lift. Of course, the redness on my eyes, please don't watch. And then I like to really kind of fill this area in a little more. So if you look, I just made my eyebrow literally so much thicker, and I've kind of already opened up my eye from this eyebrow to this eyebrow. So I'm going to go ahead and continue and just fill in the other eyebrow. And it's really a work in progress where you really just work in the eyebrow to what you think is going to look good for your face. So instantly, I have brows. Okay. So again, I will use Tarte in the Ash Blonde. And now what I do for an instant pop, because I can't just leave the house like this. I mean, I do some days, but I like to use Tarte, another Tarte product. Trust me that I am not being paid for this. I'm just giving you my honest truth. And this is Tarte. So this one is called Shape Tape, and in the color I use is light sand, but I love it because I actually need to get a new bottle, but I just put it under my eye, and then I will put it over here on these red eyes as well. And I have another little thing for red eyes, and then of course I have all my little brushes here, and I just work it in. So now I am looking for an instant pick-me-up, wake up, let's get on your day. You might not have had a lot of sleep last night, but give me some opening eye movement here. And I just rub it in. I don't really know the exact professional way of what makeup artists do, but I just rub mine in, tap, 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 tap. Now my eyes look like raccoons. I'm a little bit awake, but honestly, it got rid of that redness on my lids. So then there's another thing I use that I really, really like is lemonade. This is for those red eyes, and I just put it on, and I just do this with my finger and just kind of tap it in like this or rub. Okay, and honestly, I don't even need an eyeshadow if I didn't want to. I really, really would not. But this just gives my brows a little bit of life. And then I'll just use my powder. I use Mineral Fusion. I use multiple different powders. And I just kind of just blend everything in, as you can see. And I really don't have on any foundation right now. Some days I use foundation. If you want to know what I'm using now, I am using the Bare Skin. Or no. Skin Love by Becca. This color is in Buttercup. I really, really like it. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and put some on. I find that it has kind of like an illuminator in it, and it's really pretty and just kind of blends in my skin. So I really, really like that. And, you know, I'm just looking always for something fast, easy to get out of the house. And I want to share with you guys, and I've learned from you guys as well, watching some of your video tutorials and stuff like that. So things that you've used and tried, and trust me, I've tried it. I mean, we're all looking, let's just be real, we're all looking for the fountain of youth. I want to stay young and I want to look young forever, but I know reality, it's not true. So I just have to embrace what it is, and it is what it is, and just embrace aging. We're all gonna get old. But you can still look cute. You can still age and look cute. So anyway, I know I'm a little ridiculous. So then I'm just using my powder now to just buff in. I'm just giving a really fast look. And you see, I'm not even going to put on any eyeshadow. I'm just going to leave it just powdery looking like that. But as long as I have a brow that kind of opens my eye, I like my brows up kind of high and down. And if you see, of course, I'm meeting the guidelines that I was taught. Eyebrows to the inner eye, corner to the outer part of the eye. So what I'll do is I just finish up with my mascara. I'm going to let you guys know I am allergic to different mascaras. I think I can use one Maybelline brand, and then of course I use Lancome. I always start off with my Booster XL from Lancome, and this is just to moisturize your lashes, has some proteins in it, I think B5 I want to say, to help make them stronger and pretty. And then I will use, of course, DeFinicils is my favorite. I have been using this for years because my eyes won't get teary-eyed, and I just finish up with DeFinicils, and I'm just doing a light lash. I don't want to be over heavily done today, just nice. Sorry if I'm boring you, but this is just a routine that I use and love these products. And let me tell you, I would not be promoting any product that I do not like. So I'm telling you exactly what I use, and if I can help you and you can help others and share the word about good makeup products or how to get ready in a few minutes, then I'm happy. I'm happy. So, all right. I just want to go a little bit extensive today because we may be going to the Georgia Aquarium. I don't know if you all have been, but I'm excited, and my kids have never been. I got a 5 and a 2-year-old, and nobody's ever been. I don't know about this area here, but sometimes I just pop a little mascara down there. It's not like my fave thing to do, but sometimes it can give me some like closed looking shut eyes, but I want to be awake. I want to be open. I want to have my eyes be the focus of, you know, what people see. And like I said, my husband, when he met me, his one thing he loves, and we always say like what we love about each other, and of course we love each other, but he really always, his favorite part of me was my eyes, and he just fell in love with me for my eyes. So that is how I do my face.